weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. I'm an essential worker. Let us go to work. Yeah. Oh, I guess you can start. You think I should take my jacket off?
It's up to you.
You think I'll make a better snow angel?
You'll probably make a better snow angel without the jacket.
The jacket. This is hilarious. And then I'll get you inside before you catch a cold and then blame me. Okay.
All right, Brittany, she's about to make a snow angel. Oh my God, yay.
I've never made one.
Now, I'm gonna let you know.
What, will I fall?
I mean, you would slide. you would slide all the way down this hill, but it's all good.
Okay, I'm just gonna fall back.
Yeah.
Okay. okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. Am I making it? Is it cute?
I mean, you know.
Can you see it?
Yes, girl, it's cute. All right, now you gotta get up.
Oh, now so I can see
and
it.
walk that way.
Oh, goodness. Okay.
You gotta walk this way.
I messed it up.
All right.
Okay.
It's a snow angel with a little.
It's a snow angel.
It's kind of. I wish I could turn the light on so we can get that angle.
Good morning, friends. So today we are shoveling out our car because we have to go to work tomorrow and we have like plans for tomorrow. So we just need to shovel out the car just a little bit, but I may not have to shovel it the whole way because I've been told that if I do it a certain way, my car may be able to like pull itself out. It looks like top lip or something. All right, me waving at neighbors. Okay, so we're outside now. I have my shovel, thanks to Stacy, who's the bestest. And yeah, we're about to get my baby out of her hole because we're going to a movie night and we have to be ready in the morning. So get me great. Okay, friends. Can y'all see me? Oh, Lord, let me almost fall. Can you see me now? I can't see myself. Okay, this is gonna have to do. But she's not too bad. I think the thing is, I just need to. I should know where my car. Okay, pause. Just like to say that once upon a time, you could crank your Mercedes up from your phone. You did not have to get your key, but since they made all these new updates, since I have a 2016, not a 2018, now I have to get my key, which makes me want to upgrade my car. And that's the thing, and I'm not going to do it because she's paid off. But let's warm her up, and then we'll get back to shoveling. Okay. Friends, we have crunk up the car. We have not started shoveling, but my hands are freezing. Stacy may have been right with this one. Your girl needs a pair of gloves. Do I have gloves? The answer is no. Will I borrow his gloves? The answer is yes. But in the meantime, I'm going to start shoveling, okay? All right. think that's as good as it's gonna get for the front, ladies and gents. To the back we go. Okay. And then we may do like a trial run of trying to pull up and out. Because I really don't know how this is gonna happen on Friday. I don't know. How could I know? How could I know? I'm just gonna look. Let's see, because I thought it was like one of the stand-up shows. Does need a car wash, so I'm gonna call the car wash nearby to assist us because she is hurt. And she don't, white don't look cute in the dingy. I don't know about y'all, but it just don't. I think that's good enough. I think that's good. Okay, friends, so I did all the shoveling that my little heart could take. And we all see. I'm gonna show y'all how I think it looks better. This is all the snow in front of us, and this is like where I shoveled. Like you'll see half the snow is now in the road, and the other part of the road doesn't have this. All the snow I shoveled out. I think she looks better. The snow actually on the side is soft, and of course I did a little do in the back. Hi, friends. Let's see if we can walk around. So the cutest thing is happening. Oh, the Lord. I'm out here slaving away. I don't need okay. Yeah, this is the side. It looks so much better. It's all like and the beach side. Love the way. So yeah, give her a whirl. I'm like, no. Like, see? No, you're. I mean, she's good, y'all. She's good. We should be able to get out tomorrow morning with no issue. I don't think it's supposed to snow again until Saturday, which will be when you all will be seeing this. So, yeah. People are so sweet. I love it. Okay, a few more shows in the front. That's snow from the last time I got in my car. Like on Tuesday. Today is Thursday. The snow is still there. Some of it has melted, of course, because I had the car on high. And I like insert like what it looked like before then. So yeah. Okay, y'all, she is worn to perfection. So I don't know how she's gonna react, but the only thing I'm gonna try to do is like pull up and pull back and see how she responds. Like, do I get is there no traction? What's up? Okay, y'all. Here we go. I have my foot on the brake, and we're just about to try to pull forward to see. Okay, y'all, so I'm in my room. Of course, it's still snowing. Okay, she's rolling. Are y'all so proud? I don't know if I cleaned my desk. Almost. But so since I can't run in the morning, which I like to do, and like baby, I'm not moving that car to go to the gym. I'm not. She's not backing up though. Unless absolutely necessary, unless invited out. No. That's crazy. So okay, what I'm about to do is some home Pilates. This way. Just to combat the snow blues. Today was the first day I actually left the house since Monday, since I walked to work. Going back. Since I made my snow. Like me trying to reverse back, she did start to slide. Like since then. Of course, I was a passenger princess, so it probably didn't even count. That's but, cool. You know, it was just nice. I don't plan on going backwards, baby. Jesus. Help me to go forward in your darling son's name. Hallelujah. I'm gonna find me a Pilates thing. I know move with Nicole. This is Brittany in real time trying to navigate the snow. This other girl, I have more energy, so let's check her out. When I actually try to leave out, so yeah. Let me go inside. This one, I love the outdoor climate. To the left side, then slowly to the right. Abs and glutes, okay, period. And I'm trying to be slim fit, okay. Right arm. Now this is her channel. Inflate the tail out through the nose. So amazing. To the left this time, then to the right. And we're staying on the right side. Left arm to the right. Lean away. Feel that stretch. I usually work out with like reach. You know, one of those little sweatbands on the belly. Hello. Because Jesus be offense. I'm trying to be slim thick with my cute self. I probably gonna put it out. You down. Don't you can extend that leg all the way. Just try your best. You can use a block or books to help you. Let's switch to the other side. We bend the knee. Occupied, so it will not be the devil. In a deep lunge, we hold it a little bit. Really open those hips out, lower them down, and we extend that front leg. Inhale. Yeah, let's work out. I did break my what's it called, y'all? Inhale, we extend. My tripod, my little $20 tripod. I broke it out. Down again. That will be on the list. We'll probably go stop, I guess, by Best Buy tomorrow since I'm going to be out and about. Try to find a Best Buy and just get one of those phone holders for the car so I can take y'all with me on my excursions. And, of course, a new tripod because now it's broken. Bring it back down. A few times. Okay, yeah. I'm ready. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Okay, it's the next morning. I've gotten up. I've done my usual schmisuals. I've started my day on the right foot. Yes, my hair look a mess. Don't worry about me, okay? This pony is ponying. Mind your business. I've done my Pilates. Outside is too cold. Run. And we're back in the center. Yeah, I'm about to stretch. Stay here. And take my shower. And then we're going to drive to work today. I have not driven my car since Sunday. The snow fell. We're officially on the floor plan. Yeah. So this is my first time driving like snow. I've already, as you've seen, pre-shoveled now. And I already prayed for a little traveling grace. Okay. And as y'all saw, like when I was reversing, that's the only time like my wheels did lose traction. So and we're gonna roll down. So you roll back and you lift your legs up to tabletop and you come back up into a seated position. Down. I sing the Lord a song. Jesus, I love you. Yeah. Because you care. I couldn't imagine. Oh, you set your affections on him. It's so good before work. Yeah, I just hope the Lord just gives us a great day today. I'm excited. I'm hopeful. I'm grateful. I'm optimistic. And today will not utterly suck. Okay? So, for y'all get a little something. We have pulled off. No matter what it looks like, no matter what you feel like. We are headed to work. I'm still in control. So I got places to be. You still got it. Big Daddy God. So, yeah. Pulling off was a little scary. I did lose traction. The roads are icy. Like, they're icy. So, I'm just going really slow. Supposed to get at work like 6:53. It's like 25 minutes from where I stay. So, baby, I'm pretty much strength now. This is how snowy it still is. Is it not crazy? Is it not insane? I feel like I'd be coming out on the wrong way. But I'm a little late for work today. That's why. Okay, serious question here. Do y'all think it's too early to get the car washed? Because this dingy white is a no. Because I just feel in my Shauna, I need to find a car wash, baby. I can't be riding around with you. Not my snow, baby. Okay, y'all, so I made it to work. I was 5 minutes late, but the Lord is still kind. I really want to go home today, so I'm about to go tell Charge. I'm like, hey, if there's anybody that needs to go home, send me, I'll go. Like the prophet Isaiah said, I'll go here. Yeah, okay, but the roads were not horrible. They were not horrible. There's like a little side street that I had to go through to get to work. Now, it was ice.